So how do you reduce the Apple Watch volume? Let's explain that. So if you are new on the Foxtecc channel, I would recommend you to subscribe, and that way you don't miss tutorials like this one. So the Apple Watch can obviously make sounds and a noise of various kinds. To lower the volume of some content or something that you watch on the Apple Watch, you can use the digital crown. A good example is whenever you receive a video on the iMessage, and you can obviously play it from the Apple Watch. Well, while the video is playing, you can rotate the digital crown to adjust the volume, right? So you can lower it down for that particular purpose. But there are also like different ways or reasons why the Apple Watch makes noise or why you want to like lower it down volume. Obviously, there are the notifications and sounds and haptics. So on your iPhone, inside of the watch application, where you of course control the Apple Watch, you can go to the sounds and haptics section and adjust the silent or like the volume mode, right? So you can adjust the loudness, right, or the volume of your ringtone and alerts. And what you are adjusting with the slider is essentially the sound of your notification sounds, incoming calls, and other type of ringtone and alerts. But other than that, you don't really have any other things which you play on the Apple Watch. Like, of course, you don't really have the ability to play music out loud on the watch, so you cannot really control that. And if you are using the music app to stream stuff into your headphones, well, there is again the volume slider, which is controlled by the digital crown. So that's it from me. Let me know in the comments below if it helped. If there are still some things you kind of like are curious about, let me know about that below in the comments so I can make an updated video in the future. For that, stay tuned and I'll see you later.